How to add a payment method on Airbnb application. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you want to add payments on your Airbnb, there are two methods by which you can do it. So without any ado, let's get started. First and foremost, make sure you have the latest version of Airbnb installed. Head over to Play Store, search for Airbnb and tap on the update button if available. Then after, launch the application and log in using your credentials. Once that you are logged in, let's go to the method 1 of adding payments. Head over to your profile section from the bottom right and scroll down under settings. Thereby you should see an option which says payments and payouts. Then after, tap on payment methods and tap add payment method. There are two options to add it. The very first one is credit and debit card. Tapping on it, you'll have to give in the additional details of the card number, expiration date, CVV, postcode and the country. Likewise, if you tap on PayPal, it will take you to your PayPal's website and you'll have to log in using your credentials to get it started and added. Likewise, for the next method, you'll have to go to the Explore page and select the property that you want to reserve. Then after, tap on the reserve button, which will take you to another page. So once you tap on the reserve button, you must see this option of price details, your trip and a pay with option. Thereby add on add button and you can add the payment method like the previous time. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.